Do you want to do something amazing in 2022? Something that scares the crap out of you? Something that you'll remember for the rest of your lives? Some event that changed your life forever? Well, I want to tell you a story about when I was a young man. Before I moved out to LA to become a trainer, I was skinny as hell, I was weak as hell, and I had a learning disability and speech problems. Damn. I had a lot of stuff not going on. And what I decided to do, I made one decision that changed my life forever. I decided to seek somebody out that was doing that which I wanted to be. I wanted to be strong as hell. And so I sought a guy out, hockey player named Dave, was on the UW hockey team. Big dude, 6'5", 260. I was about 5'8", 140 pounds. And I sought him out and I asked him if I could train with him. And he said, yeah, you can train with me, but you only get one mulligan. And I said, what's that mean? And he goes, you get one time where you don't give your heart all out effort to it, and I'll give you one mulligan. If you do that one time, and after that, if you do it again, we're done. I won't train with you anymore. And I said, okay, no problem. So I want to tell you guys first off, the reason why I'm telling you this story is because one single event can dramatically change your life. Now, training with him made a difference, but it was my wanting to make change that started the ball rolling. My asking and seeking out a teacher, a guru, a person that was higher than me to train with, help me escalate to the next level. And then doing something epic that changed my life forever and let me know forever that I'm strong as hell. So I started training with Dave. I started believing that I was getting strong and that I was strong. See, at this time, I was about 145 pounds, and I started to put some weight on with him. And I got up to where I could do 225 pounds on a back squat for a couple of reps. And one day, I did 6 reps with it, and Dave goes, what the hell was that? And I was like, well, I did 6 reps. And he goes, why'd you stop? I was like, well, I just thought I was going to do sets of 6, and then I stopped, and I was like, damn. And he goes, that was your mulligan. Don't do it again. A year and a half later, I did that same weight 47 times past parallel. I back squatted over 500 pounds, and I was ready to move out to LA to become a personal trainer to celebrities and pro athletes. And my mindset was completely different. But it was one thing that I did one day that completely imprinted on my mind for the rest of my life. And that was soon after I arrived in LA to train with a guy named Todd Person, Metabolic Project out there in LA, is that Todd asked me, hey John, can you go check on a treadmill? I just ordered this super deluxe treadmill and the guys got it downstairs and they want to know how to bring it up. So I ran downstairs, check this thing out, and I'm thinking I'm going to see a treadmill, but I'm not seeing a treadmill. I'm seeing a wooden crate that has the treadmill in it, and it's not a little treadmill, it's a big treadmill. I mean, this thing is about 3.5 or 4 feet high, 3.5 feet wide, and about 8 feet long. This thing is huge. I'm guessing it weighed around 400 pounds. So I'm looking at these guys, and they're looking at me, and they're like, well, dude, you have a parking ramp to get up into your building. We can't bring it up in there. How you plan on doing this? And I looked at it and I thought, I'm strong as hell. I said, I'm going to lift it, put it on my back. And they looked at me like I was crazy. And so I said, tilt that thing up, lower it on that pallet thing that they got on the back of trucks. It lowers it. So it's vertical now. And I said, lower it. And I'm going to reach around and I'm going to put it on my back. I'm going to lean forward and we're going to tilt it. I'm going to grab the sides and I'm going to walk it up the ramp. Now this sounds crazy today. And back then, those guys looked at me like I was completely insane. But they lowered it. I got underneath that puppy, grabbed the sides of it and tilted it and absorbed it. and I walked that thing up 3 ramps of a parking structure, and I walked it into the gym where everybody in the gym freaked out. Nobody expected to see something amazing like this. That was something epic. That was something that I'll never forget the rest of my life. And all my training and preparation had gotten me ready for such an event. And let's make this year unbelievable and change for the rest of your life.